So I'm testing the electric fence. I'm going to put the tester down here. And I can hear it. Can you hear it? It's snapping. But I'm really not reading anything. I'm getting 4,000, 5,000, not really 6,000. So it's half the capacity. When all these are lit up, it's going to be 10,000 volts. So I hear it snapping. So now we're going to look anywhere it could be grounding out. And I hear it. I mean, sometimes it's just tall grass that'll do it. Or a knot, like when you have to join two wires together. And I'm seeing this big post down here. And I'm thinking, am I touching the post? Is it touching the post? I still hear it. There it is. There. You see that? I don't know if you can see the spark. I can see the spark. So we're going to turn this. You really need well-insulated gloves to do this kind of thing. That's really arcing. Going to have to undo this. This really got messed up. That wire's too tight. And doing it live's no fun. Well, that stopped the arcing. I don't like it though. So I might have to do something else with this to make it hold on, because if this slips, it's going for a ride. Right? So now that it's not arcing, and I don't hear it arcing, I can measure it. There, you can see it all flashing. All of them are flashing. So we're back up to full speed. All right, I'm going to check it further down as well. I hear more snapping. And where is it? And it's on this something. That's bad. See it? Yeah, that's got to get fixed. Now, it's not like I knew this was here, but I suspected, because there's a lot going on here. And anytime you get a bunch of junctions of wire, you risk this kind of scenario here. So that's pretty good. This, without touching it, I can feel it. My hands are really close to it and I can feel it. How close it is. And just put an insulator like that on it. That's enough to stop the snapping. So that's going to turn out pretty good. I think that's all right. We're going to measure it here. These here, you have to bury this rod 3/4 of the way anyway, mostly all the way into the ground, and then you can touch this to it, and you see right away. See it very bright. The last place we checked, further downstream, or is it upstream? Upstream. The lights weren't this bright, and they should have been brighter the closer you are to the source. This is good, so we're okay. I'm going to go around the other side where it terminates and check it there. So this here is the end of the line, and this gate here, this gate is only live when it's plugged in, so I can touch it here, but as soon as I plug it into here, it becomes energized. So this is where we This is where we do our final testing to make sure that we still are good now. I'm not hearing any snapping or anything like that. And we're still getting a good charge. Gates are funny this way because there's so many contacts being made. Yeah, everything's good. Yeah, that's good. That's it. It's a bit longer than I wanted to. I thought I'd give you like a 30-second video. Ended up being this long. But if you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Leave me a comment. If you guys mess around with electric fences, then let me know what you guys do with them. Awesome.